Data 6. Arithmetic sequences. I can identify and evaluate arithmetic sequences.
Good. So arithmetic sequences is what we're focused on. Thank you, Madison. All right. A sequence would be an order or a pattern. And A and B show you examples. A term would be the number or letters in a sequence. And an arithmetic sequence always has a common difference. Now, is this, try again, is this an arithmetic sequence?
Yes.
Is that a pattern?
Yes.
That's a pattern and an arithmetic sequence, right?
Yes.
Is this an arithmetic sequence? 2, 4, 6, 10, 16.
No.
It's not an arithmetic sequence, but is it a pattern?
Yes.
We increased, we took 2 and 4 and got to 6. We took 4 and 6 and got to 10. We took 6 and 10 and got to 16. That's the pattern, right? If you're really looking for the pattern. So, an arithmetic sequence must have a common difference. It can be a pattern, but it's not always a pattern. Okay. Did I say that right? It can be a pattern, but it's not. It always is a pattern. But a pattern is not always an arithmetic sequence.
Yeah.
A pattern is not always an arithmetic sequence because this is a pattern, but not an arithmetic sequence. Right? Okay, good. Number 2, you can do it on your own. Number 3. Now, the arithmetic sequence function formula is very complex. The only advantage of knowing this is if you want to find what? Why would you know, or why would you want to use the arithmetic sequence function formula? I just explained this to you. Remember, I Googled it. Why would you even want to use this, Connor?
Find one value.
To find one specific value. You plug in everything you're supposed to plug in, and you would be able to find one value. You guys told me you weren't necessarily interested in just finding one value. What is the other formula we know to find multiple values? The other formula to find multiple values is what, Gianna? Slope-intercept formula, right? So we are actually not really going to use this. If we wanted to find one value, great. If you see it on a test, you'll understand what it is maybe. It's not going to be on a test that I give you, but on IXLs or MCAs or NWAs, we're not going to use this. You actually understand how it works because we combined it. I'm going to slide down. I'm going to slide down and go a little bit out of order here. We actually use it to find the answer to question number 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here it is. This was the arithmetic sequence formula. It is exactly lined up with the slope-intercept formula. Okay, but this just helps us to find one value. With this, we can change what our input is, yes or no?
Yes.
This, it was very explicit. Remember that word explicit? You had to plug in whatever number you were given. Okay? Okay, sliding back up. If I asked you to write a function for a sequence, what do you have to find? If I gave you a sequence or an arithmetic sequence like this, what is the only thing you need to find, everybody? The common difference. And the common difference is going to be the slope. It's going to be the m. So the equation y equals mx plus b, all you're finding is the common difference between 6, 12, 18, 24. What is our y-intercept? 0. Because it's always going to start with the number 0. It is called the, we made a word up, remember what the word was? The zeroth term, right? Okay? Okie dokie, and I think number 7 was just information for you to write a function for a given sequence of numbers. Simply find the slope, which is what we just did. And then number 8, given a word problem like this, you simply write your slope-intercept equation, and we can find the answer for any value we want. Questions?